To log on to the virtual machine, I will go ahead and click on virtual machine section right here on the left hand side. Now, the list of virtual machines will all be visible in this section, but at this time I have just one virtual machine. The name of the virtual machine is VMweb01, and the public IP that I would like to connect to it is 23.101.139. This is truncated, so let's just expand like that. 227. This is created in a region called East US. Now I want to connect to it. I will launch the RDP section, so all I have to do is hit the Windows key and R button, and you'll get this pop-up. Right here, I'm going to type MSTSC, which stands for Microsoft Terminal Service Console. Hit enter, and there you're going to type this IP address, which is 23.101.139.227. Click connect. Now, within some time, it should pop up for credentials. Now, if you get this kind of screen where it is requesting for user ID and password, that means the network configuration is correct. That also means that you have opened the right set of ports on the security groups. The username, remember, it was root admin and not administrator, and the password, don't forget it, and then click on yes. It will take like a couple of seconds to get connected to the virtual machine, load up your profile, and then you are all set to operate on this virtual machine. Traditionally, if you had to create this kind of virtual machine, it will take like several hours to get this established, coordination with the virtualization team communicates with the storage team, and that will take a lot of time just coordinating to create a virtual machine. Right now, here I've got this VM ready. All you got to do is now install the applications and make it production ready. In the next video, let's go ahead and learn how to make it as a web server and how to launch your own web application on this web server.